I bet you didn't know your favorite spray, it could get you kicked out of security. These are the aerosol rules you actually need. Myth versus fact, countdown style. Myth number 3. Any aerosol is fine in carry-on. Fact, nope. Carry-ons follow the 3-1-1 rule, 3.4 ounces or 100 milliliters max per container. Everything goes in 1 quart-sized resealable bag. Travel-sized deodorant, dry shampoo, hairspray. Yes, if they fit. Larger cans? Pack them in checked baggage. Myth number 2. If it's small, you can bring flammable sprays anywhere. Fact, dangerous misconception. Spray paint, WD-40, cooking spray cleaning, or lubricating sprays. Often banned in both carry-on and checked baggage, unless they qualify as a medicinal or toiletry exception. Myth number 1. Checked baggage has no limits. Fact, there are limits. Total aerosols per person can't exceed about 2 kilos or 2 liters. Each container should be 0.5 kilograms, 500 milliliters or less. Caps or covers are required to prevent accidental release. Bug spray, sunscreen aerosols. Allowed in carry-on only if they're 3.4 ounces, 100 milliliters or less, and in your quart-sized resealable bag. TSA enforcement is getting stricter in 2026. Pack smart check labels, skip surprises at security. Safe travels.